What's going on, y'all, man? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy FaTkaT, of course. Cat Nation, stand up. We are still here at Keith's shop, and we have everybody here laughing. What y'all laughing about? If y'all,
3 people working.
if you guys remember, Caitlin on Awesome. Then you guys know Keith, and then Mr. Chase Lucas over here, and they're putting on a. What'd you say? 3 people working? I'm working too. My work is this camera. It's on record. I'm working. Anyway, bringing you guys some Camaro content today, man. So they are putting on this spoiler on this Camaro, which belongs to her, that he drives mainly.
You don't let her drive.
But they're putting on this spoiler right here. So what they're doing right now is taking off all of this extra. Caitlin, you're doing a very good job, by the way, holding the Starbucks bag. But they're taking off all of the double-sided tape because obviously they put them on. If you guys don't know, if you guys seen all the other videos, they put them on with little anchor screws and everything else. So,
Think we need to put it on there? I would say put it on there.
I don't think we do. You?
I think put it on the bottom.
On the bottom? Okay.
Maybe about halfway.
Yeah.
Just for security reasons.
but this is a Camaro SS, guys. I remember when she first got. How long have you guys had this car now?
September will be a year.
September?
Look at these dogs.
It's been that long?
Yeah, because
Damn.
we saw it got posted, I think Labor Day on a Sunday. And
I mean, because I remember when you guys first got it, we went to the Cars and Coffee out in Lakeland. Man, damn, a year.
It's come a long way.
Yeah, exactly. Time flies.
This quarantine's been fun. We've got to do a lot to her.
that don't even, okay. That don't even sound right. But anyway, I don't know what you guys Camaro owners be doing to your car. Anyway, man, but they have done a lot, obviously. Yeah, I'm gonna show them that. I'm getting to it.
Well, it's just the best part.
I'm getting to it.
It's just the best part.
Man. But yeah, so they've done a lot, man. Lowered it, obviously. Did exhaust. I mean, this thing sounds crazy insane. They did the tail lights up there. When they bring it back down, I'll do a little walk around and show you guys everything they've done. But yeah, man, they've done a lot of stuff to this car. Like I said, the exhaust sounds crazy. And look at this. God. And I think you guys did headers, right?
Yeah.
Yep. So they got the headers coming all the way down. Boom. Down to the back. Look at that. X pipe. This thing sounds nuts, man. Like I said, I haven't even heard it in person. Really, to be honest, not like behind the car. I've only heard it in the video, and even in the video, it sounds ridiculous. But I'll show you guys when they bring it back down the lift and do a little walk around. But yeah, man, so they're gonna do a lip. So for all you Camaro guys that are, for whatever reason, watching my channel, you guys will see what this lip look like when it's on. Where'd you guys get the lip from?
eBay.
Send it back. Chase, where'd you guys get this?
It's actually a GM.
Oh, it's from GM?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Nice. All right, so you.
Yeah, because it's already got everything. We just got to drill the holes. It's already pre-lined with all the holes on the bumper.
Okay. So there y'all go, man. So for all you Camaro guys that watch my channel for whatever reason, there you go, man. You guys can get something like this and put it onto your Camaro. And there y'all go, man. So they are done. That literally took them like 10 minutes, which normally when we put the Dodge front lips on, it's like an hour or more. But it's literally took them like 10 minutes to do it, man. And it came out good. A lot of fingerprints and stuff on it, but. Oh, am I in your way? She's over there taking pictures, getting the angles. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, is that a video?
Yeah.
Oh. I was like, what are you doing? I was like, what the? Sorry, I was talking. Oh, you're probably gonna put music over there, right? Or something.
You're fine. Do what you gotta do.
Anyway, but so yeah, man, it came out good. It was good. You about to back it out?
I don't have as many followers as you, so mine doesn't matter.
No, I'm just saying, but I don't want to be talking all over your video. Yeah, man, look at this. So it looks good because most people, they do like carbon fiber everything, and they're doing you know, white with the gloss black. So that gloss black looks really good on this white.
Yeah. It came just flat black. Oh, yeah.
Oh, you painted it?
The spoiler? Yeah. That's
Yeah.
What about that? You paint that? Yeah.
Got the rear valance on there.
So it came off flat. You had it painted gloss.
Nice. Yeah, it looks
So
good.
Did the front get painted too? Yeah. Oh, so it all got painted. Yeah.
Nice. Okay. Looks good, man. Let you guys hear this Camaro start up. Look at the lights. Woo.
You might jump.
Let's. That sounded good, can't lie. So you got the LED, you got the LED side markers. You got the red guts in the interior. Thing looking good, man. Looking good, man. Got the side view mirror covers right there. It just did the front lip. Yeah, this thing is coming together really good, man. Like I said, I like the white and the black contrast with the gloss black contrast. It looks really good. I like that. Congratulations.
Thank you.
She's looking good. Stormy, right? Stormy is looking good.
She's looking clean.
She's looking clean.
Looking clean.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
She's
I love her so much.
almost as nice as a Dodge.
Uh,
almost as nice as a Dodge. We're getting there.
all right.
Not quite, but we're getting there. Oh man. All right, man. So that was it for the Camaro. Now we're getting ready to do a 300, so that's gonna be a separate video. Obviously, chop these videos up for y'all, so you're not sitting through, you know, a 45-minute video, man. So getting ready to do the 300S now. So actually, his car. So he has a lip that he's gonna put on there, and then I'm gonna go from there. So hope y'all appreciated this or like this video. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Man, you know, I didn't show the whole process of putting on the lip and everything else, because it's pretty much the same thing that they do over and over and over with the rivet gun and everything else. So I mean, you guys, if you guys have seen my channel before, you guys have seen that. If not, go back and watch some installs of some of the other videos, man. But anyway, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, stay humble, stay blessed, stay genuine. Most importantly, stay true to yourself, because anything else we all uncivilized, man. Other than that, we out. See you on the next one, man. Later.